What frequency range is the high frequency band? Three to 30 megahertz. The first step to getting output from a laser is to excite an active medium. What is this process called? Pumping. What is the relationship between resistor R and conductivity S? R equals to 1 by S. Which motor is not suitable for use as a DC machine? Squirrel cage motor. A given signal's second harmonic is twice the given signal's blank frequency. Fundamental. In which year was MIDI musical instrument digital interface introduced? (1983). What does the term PLC stand for? Programmable logic controller. When measuring the characteristics of a small signal amplifier, say for a radio receiver, one might be concerned with its noise blank. Figure. dB coupled abbreviation usually means. Database. .ini extension refers usually to what kind of file? System file. The sampling rate, how many samples per second are stored for a CD is? (44.1 kilohertz). Who created Pretty Good Privacy (PGP)? Phil Zimmermann. What do we call a network whose elements may be separated by some distance? It usually involves two or more small networks and dedicated high-speed telephone lines. WAN, Wide Area Network. After the first photons of light are produced, which process is responsible for amplification of the light? Stimulated emission. Which is not an acceptable method of distributing small power outlets throughout an open plan office area. extension cords.